We are ELSA Industry, a burgeoning organization founded to sustain the development of zero-emission aircraft. Specializing in engineering lightweight structures for the aerospace industry, ELSA is here to help you from start to finish, from engineering to manufacturing. As a member of the Alliance for Zero-Emission Aviation, we take the responsibility for preparing the market entry of zero-emission aircraft seriously, and do so hand in hand with the mission of the Advanced Air Mobility Institute in Boston. Our leadership comprises some of the best in the industry. They include co-founder and head of R&D and H2 Systems, Radu Coligianu, co-founder and CTO, Dr. Albert Arnau, co-founder and CEO, Christinel Patrashku, and co-founder and COO, Katrin Meyerhofer, who supports the public interest and transparency necessary to make this exciting future technology an achievable industry-wide reality. Want to know more? Get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.